this customer dropped off this 2015 Chevy Silverado for a misfire concern. He had exhausted all of his leads. He had done his own tune-up, own coil. He replaced the injector. He's done multiple things to get rid of this misfire. So what we did was we did a compression test. No compression in cylinder 1. So upon that, we had to pull the valve cover off and verify that we had a valve issue is what we have. We actually have a lifter failure. And if you look right here, we'll get James, go ahead and crank it, and you can see there's no rocker arm failure, or no rocker arm movement, I'm sorry. Alright, on cylinder 1 exhaust, we have no movement. Air can't get in, it can't get out, and we're going to have no compression. So unfortunately, this engine needs to be torn down and have all the lifters replaced.